वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. तर आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमची गोवन पणसाची बिंगटाची भाजी. सो दीज आर फ्यू jackfruits seeds. We have to wash it nicely and then cook. We'll give around 4 to 6 whistle in this. Just add water, salt. That's it. So now we'll add salt to this. First adding salt is better than later. And then we'll take, it's like around 1.5 cup of water. And we'll give 6 whistles. So now here is our bingtas ready. They're nicely cooked. So I gave around 9 whistles. Oh, they're cooked. They're very hot. Okay, enjoy. I will show you now how to make vegetable out of it. We have to cut this into small pieces. Yes, we need. So our dry jackfruit seeds, which you have to cut this way. Okay, they are cooked one, boiled one. Then you need 1 tomato, 1 onion, and this is coconut. Like this is like half coconut. Now what I will do, I will grind this along with 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Okay, I will grind that. Then we need our curry patta, few curry leaves, and I will be adding some red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and our Goan Jackfruit masala powder. So you can use veg masala powder, or you can use any other, whatever masala powder you have, chicken masala powder, you can add it. तर ही आमची बिंगटाची हांव सेमी ग्रेवी भशेन कोत्ता आयज आनी तुमकां दाखयता. तर आतां तुमी पयला कशें उकडूंक जाय, मागीर कितें करूंक जाय, मागीर अशें कातरून घेवंक जाय, अहें कातरून घेवंक जाय, आनी मागीर एक नाल्ल घेतला हांवें, अर्दें वोहें, एक कांदो, एक तामोट, नाल्ल आतां हांव ह्यो वांटून घेता, आनी हें आमचें जिंजर गार्लीक पेस्ट. ओके, so let's add curry leaves. So what I did, I added little bit of onion also to my coconut and ginger garlic paste. So now we'll add our curry leaves. Curry leaves I love a lot, but you can add less. Then we'll add our mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon, cumin, 1 teaspoon, and now we'll add our onion to this. Fry nicely. Now we'll add our tomato to this. Now we'll add our masala. In this we go turmeric powder half teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, and coriander will be 2 teaspoons. Then we'll add our Goan Jackfruit masala powder around 1 teaspoon. Okay. So you can add 1 tablespoon also, 1 teaspoon also, because Jackfruit masala is hot. Okay. And homemade Jackfruit masala. If you want to learn how to make Jackfruit masala powder, please visit and check my masala powders. Different types of masala powders I have on my cooking channel. So this is my coconut, onion and ginger garlic paste. This we'll add into this. Low flame, and the water we will add later. First we will mix all this. Now we'll add little water to this. Let the masala fry, coconut. So whatever is there for the mixer, so half cup will add to this. If you want more gravy, then yes, you can add more water. Now we have to add our salt to taste. Salt. Without salt, the food is tasteless. So salt to taste. And now we will add to this our Bingtas, that is our our jackfruit seeds. Mix this all nicely. Cover this for few minutes. Everything is cooked just for few minutes. And now we will add little bit of water to this. So another half cup. I will take that mixer only thing. So you know, when you are having with bread and all, we have this. So we'll cover this now. Check your salt. garnish it with kasuri methi and it's done. So now we will cover this and cook this for few minutes, that is 5 minutes is enough. And here it is ready to go in our plate. We'll garnish it with 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Crush it nicely. And mix this and done. The flavor of kasuri methi goes in this. Thank you so much. And मानता तुमका ही सगळ्यांक आवडटले हे आमचे गोंयची रेसिपी भिंगटाची, आमच्या पणसाची भिंगटाची रेसिपी बरे भशेन करून खायात, एन्जॉय करात. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगळ्यांक.